Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel, or if you're not new here, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very exciting video for you guys because I got my hands on another $25 thrifted jewelry mystery bag, and for some reason you guys love these unboxing videos so much, so I'm gonna be doing it in one long form video today because usually I split it into parts and you guys just ask for one whole video unboxing it, so that's what we're gonna be doing today. Without further ado, let's just get started. I'm just too excited. I have to open this right now. Let's see. First thing that I got was this beautiful silver bangle. Look at how stunning these details are. The next item we got is this beautiful brooch. I've actually been trying to collect more brooches, so I'm adding this to my collection. Also got this beaded bracelet, which I think is so cute. This actually just fell out of the bag. I forgot what these are called. I think these are for like men's suits or something, but I get a bunch of these in the bags and I never know what to do with them. Ew, what is this tattered cloth? Do you guys see this? Ew. I literally have no idea what this was supposed to be, but I think it's like a necklace. Why is there so much like weird tattered cloth? Whatever. Got a little clip situation. I think it's for ties. More clips. This one is a gold one with this kind of like triangle symbol on it. Another brooch. This one says bless. This is yet another brooch. This one's actually really stunning. I love the details on it. I plan on making like a skirt and then filling it with brooches, so I think this will be perfect to add to that. Another little Christmas brooch. This one is like a wreath. Oh, more clips. Another one with a little dragon in the front. Ooh, what is this? Oh, this is a necklace, I believe. It has like these little silver flowers on the front. Next item I have is this rhinestone necklace. I love this. It's just so dainty and cute. I'm literally getting so many brooches. I also got this little owl one. Kind of matches the first brooch I found. This is just a simple beaded bracelet. I kind of like these. They're just like a really simple and nice accessory to throw on. These beads are honestly really intriguing me, and like look at how stunning these are. Huh. Kind of like a funky necklace. Oh my god, you guys. I am hitting brooch jackpot. Look at this beautiful peacock one. Wow. Not gonna lie, guys, I kind of despise this pearl necklace. I don't know. It's just like kind of weird looking. Ooh, another little pin. Always loved me a good little beaded bracelet. This one is really, really cute. You guys know how much I love bangles, and these are just like a really good, simple ones to have. I see some turquoise, and I freaking love turquoise, so I need to pull these out right now. I also have this simple turquoise necklace, super pretty. This next item is literally insane. Look at how beautiful this necklace is. Oh my god, I am definitely keeping her. Got more necklaces. This one has like these beautiful blue crystals on it. Kind of reminds me of rain. This one is just a little plain silver one. I see pretty beads, and when I see pretty beads, I have to know what this is. You guys know how much I love wearing necklaces as waist chains, and this one is definitely long enough for that, so that's how I'm gonna be wearing it. I spy more pretty beads. What is this? Ooh, I don't want to break it. Come on. This necklace is definitely like way more chunky than the usual necklaces I wear, but kind of a vibe. This necklace is actually really interesting because look at how the beads are shaped. Doesn't it look like little rosebuds that are just all strung together? I don't know about you guys, but I hate these chunky tumbler necklaces. I think they're so ugly and unflattering, but I know some of you guys will get mad at me for that. I'm sorry, that's just my opinion. I think these little beads are actually shells, and I kind of love the whole layered look. Wait, you guys, look at this beautiful pearl necklace. These are obviously not real pearls because they're dark blue. I love it. I'm gonna keep this necklace too. Now I see some kind of ugly beads. I don't really like how chunky these are. I just don't like chunky beads, and I feel like these are just like, I don't know, they're not really my vibe. Not keeping. This zebra print necklace, I really can't tell if I hate it or love it. Like, look at that. Kind of ugly, kind of cute. I don't know. This is also another necklace that I'm gonna be wearing as a little belt because look at that. She's perfect for the summer. Also, it's definitely giving aquamarine vibe. We have another chunky necklace up in here. These are just really not my vibe. You know what? I'm a certified freaking hater of these necklaces. I just think they're kind of ugly. I can already tell that I'm gonna hate this necklace too. It's like, what is this? It's just so unnecessarily chunky. More chunky beads, just a plain black one this time. Yeah, another pearl find. This one is just like a really, really long necklace, I think. A little tangled right now, but I can layer this like 4 times over, and I'm kind of obsessed with it. We have yet another chunky necklace. Boo! This is just yet another chunky necklace. This one's better though. I like these more than the like tumbler coated one. We have this purple beaded necklace. This one is pretty. These almost kind of look like little little mini volleyballs. I have more freaking chunky necklaces. I thought these were like literally one whole one, but they're actually two separate necklaces. I do not like these. I don't want any more. Thank you very much. White beaded chunky necklace this time. I guess they technically were listening to me because it's not a black one, but still, I don't like this. Finally, a different freaking style of necklace. Okay, this one is actually cute. These bags always get so tangled. If you guys watched the behind the scenes of making these videos, you would see that half of the time is spent untangling these stupid necklaces for hours. You guys, look at this freaking necklace. Look at her. You see how stunning this pendant is? This is like a showstopper of a piece. Got some more bangles. Oh, these are actually matched the first ones that I found. Giving kind of vampire-y energy. I think I am cursed with chunky necklaces in this bag. How many more am I gonna find? I think this is like one of those magnet necklaces. I don't know. What is this? Another beaded necklace. This one I like a little bit more though, I have to say. Oh, more gold bangles. Okay, these are actually my favorite bangles that I think I found in this bag. I think these are real pearls because of how they're shaped, and like, look at how beautiful this little bracelet is. I have this chunky flower bracelet. Don't know if I really like this. Do you guys recognize this necklace? These are literally the epitome of the Visco girl aesthetic, and I remember back then I really wanted to own one. Now, not so much. I have more chunky necklaces. This one is kind of like a greenish black color. You guys, look at how freaking gross this necklace is. I kind of hate this. Ugh. Ooh, okay, another little clip. This one has polka dots. I love a good little gold chain, and this one has cute little layers to it. Then we have a little love heart necklace that says Dale in the middle. I guess someone must have broken up because why is this necklace in here? This necklace literally says Daddy's Girl on it. Interesting. Oh, finally, a cute necklace. Oh, is this another silver necklace? I have no idea what this pendant is, but it's kind of cool. Sorry guys, I'm too lazy to completely untangle this. This necklace says Layla on it, and then this one is just like another beaded necklace. Oh, yeah, another little pin. This one is just plain. This is actually kind of cool. It is another beaded necklace, but look at how cool that is. I have some more necklaces that I'm also too lazy to untangle, but this one has the letter N on it. This one I think is like some kind of purple and red beaded one, and then this one is like a longer orange and blue one. Where are my crystal girlies at? Because look at this crystal necklace that I got. Can anyone tell me what type of crystal this is and what it means? We got another clip. This one has the letter D engraved on it. And yet another one. This one is just like a simple black one. Finally found a cute necklace. Look at how gorgeous this one is. Guys, look at this freshwater pearl necklace I just got. And does it look familiar to this previous freshwater pearl bracelet? I literally just got a matching set. Finally got it undone, but I have this oval silver necklace. Ooh, another simple silver chain. I actually love getting like plain chains in this bag because I always rework them into another necklace. Oh, okay. I guess they heard me because I got yet another simple silver chain. Then we have this little chunky necklace. This one's like okay, I guess. I finally freaking untangled it, and we have this layered pearl necklace and also this layered black one. And that is it for this jewelry bag. I'm gonna pick a favorite though out of the things that I'm keeping. Let's see. What item is my favorite? I think it's actually this gold necklace that I got. I feel like it just fits my vibe really well, and I love the added green of it. It also even matches with the top that I'm wearing right now. Anyways, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I actually got a lot of really good things in this bag, so I'm very, very happy. And make sure to leave a comment down below as to which piece was your favorite because I am very curious. And to anyone who wants to unbox their very own mystery jewelry bag, I am selling them on my website, so make sure to go there and check it out. But that is it for today, and I'll see you guys in my next video.